Okay, so before I start to cook this is what the chicken looks like overall. Let's try to get that spilling. Now I'm gonna start to cook this for a few minutes. Let's just take these and put them on the pan. We preheated corn oil, and we're just gonna put the chicken inside the corn oil. Okay, so while this cooks, we're going to stir this because we don't really want it to burn on one side. That's what you standardly do. For now, we're just going to stir it instead of just letting it sit and flipping it. Ow, it's stuck right on my foot. So yeah, that's basically what we're doing now. We will show you a final product in a minute, but let's just let this cook for now.